everyone, start off by writing this message, and then afterwards you can make a face out of it as such. As you can see, we have started off with the second component of it. We are now adding the hair, add multiple lines to it as such, and then add a bun at the back as well. Add detailing to the bun as well, and then add the neck underneath it. Make it look like it is wearing a shirt. Next, move on to the other portion of it. Add a face within the center as such. Add the hair to it, and this can be a baby. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape, add lines to it, and now instead of doing this, you may start off by drawing this downward almost V shape. Now, after this, add a U shape for the face, add ears to it, add eyes and a mouth as well. Add a V shape for the neck, and then afterwards, add the rest of the body underneath it. Draw the hair at the background, and then afterwards on top of this, add a large little bow. Add the detailing to the bow and slowly begin to color all of this in. Now, next, we'll start off by drawing a V shape. Underneath it, draw these two curved lines. On top of it, add a slightly curved line as well with a cloud-like shape to it. Connect either side of it as such. After this, add these little things to it on either side of it. These will be like large ears. Now, after this, underneath it, make these small ovular shapes. Afterwards, connect the face and then draw on the eyes. Add a little nose and then a mouth to it as well. Add the rest of the body underneath it, make this table-like shape. Afterwards, add the hair at the top as such and color all of this in. Next, taking the black marker, we'll start off by drawing this U shape with a horizontal at the top. Now, add smoke coming out of it and then make it into a cup. After making it look like a cup of coffee, add another ear to the other side, and now you can make it look like a girl. Next, we'll start off by drawing this downward Y shape, and then afterwards make it into hair. Add a U shape underneath it to make the rest of the face, add ears to it, eyes, and then the mouth as well. Add the rest of the body underneath it and then draw the hair at the top. Now once you're done with this, make a braid on either side of it. Now color the cheeks in as well. Start off by drawing this coin, and then afterwards trace out another shape right beside it. Add a heart shape in the middle of this, and then connect the two of them as such. After this, add eyes to both of them and a smile, and then do the same for the second figure as well. Color this heart in and then color the cheeks in as well. Next, we'll start off by drawing these diagonal lines downwards. Afterwards, draw ears on either side, add a U shape for the face. Add eyes to this and then afterwards add a mouth to it as well. Add the rest of the body as well, and then afterwards add the detailing to it. Add the hair at the back and then a little bow on the side. Make it into a hairband as such. Now, once you're done with this, you may color the ribbon in, and then afterwards, color the clothes in as well. This is the final look. Next, we'll start off by taking a black marker, add these L shapes, and then underneath it, add a large U shape. Now, add these curved lines at the top to make it look like a hat, add eyes to it, and then a smile. Draw the neck underneath it, and then draw the rest of the outfit underneath this as well. Add the hair at the back, and then afterwards, draw the marking for the arms. Start off by drawing a circular shape, and now instead of doing this, however, you may start off by drawing a cup shape, and then afterwards make steam come out of the top of it, or what looks like steam. Add a handle on one end, and now change it and then draw a ear on the other. Add eyes and a mouth to it, and then draw a little scarf to it as well. Add the hair at the back. Thank you for watching.